This is one of the recipes in the my ebook that me and Koji wrote. Koji's one of the team, and she was on the live video yesterday on Instagram in case you missed that. So that is almond milk. You can put in a different kind of milk, but almond milk is going to taste good because we have almonds in this recipe, and this recipe is called muscle food. So if you want to, we had somebody on Instagram a little while ago because we posted another recipe, and the person on Instagram named what the smoothie was going to be called. So this one, Ravan Raja on the live chat, so this one you guys get to name. So you can name the smoothie. It's a high protein smoothie. I'm going to make a smaller portion because there's only me at home, but you got mangoes in there, that's mainly for taste. Blueberries, mainly for recovery, lots of evidence for that on muscle recovery and also for memory. Kale, which is high in calcium, and spinach, which is proven to aid in muscular recovery. And then the protein punch of it is the almond butter, and obviously there's almond milk in there, so although the almond milk is mostly water. So that's it. Once you've got everything prepared, then you can make this in pretty much like 2 minutes, not very long. I'm trying to do this one hand, so it takes a bit longer. This is the best, not this particular brand, you can get any brand, but you want 100% nut butter. You don't want the stuff with palm oil in it and added salt and that kind of stuff. You just want 100% of the pure stuff. And the best place to get this that I found is either a website called dolphinfitness.co.uk. I think the prices there are decent. The other place, that's just almond butter. The other place is Costco's. I don't have a Costco membership. I wouldn't go and get one just to buy nut butter, but if you've got one anyway, then that can be pretty handy. So there's 4 grams per tablespoon, and that's 2 tablespoons, so that's 8 grams of protein. And then you got the banana, which is 1 gram of protein. Then you got the spinach, which is a couple grams. Kale, which is a couple grams. So then you end up with like 12 grams, something like that, 12-15 grams of protein. So high protein drink, natural, full of antioxidants, full of anti-carcinogens that help prevent cancer. It's not got any of the junk that you'll get when you buy stuff from outside, and it takes like literally 2 minutes to make. So Rana, thanks for joining. Tajinder, thanks for joining. Masiji, thanks for joining. So yeah, you guys are going to name this smoothie. It should turn out green because most of the ingredients are green, but actually it will probably turn out purple. And since it's my smoothie, I should really know what color it's going to turn out. So in terms of smoothie makers, in the free ebook that we're launching today, I'll tell you which smoothie maker you can get. This one's pretty good because it's as powerful as a Vitamix in terms of the power of the machine, but it's a quarter of the price. So this is quite handy, and we've had it for a long period of time. But we've got obviously a family of 4, we make smoothies. So if you get a small like NutriBullet or Nutri Ninja, then you're potentially not going to have enough smoothie to feed everyone. So it just depends on how many people there are in your household who want this. But I'll try and talk over this. Please do come up with some names. Masiji, Tajinder, Sarwan, Raj, Rav. Come on, please come up with a name for this smoothie. I was going to call it muscle food, but I'd like you guys to name it really. Jags, please name my smoothie. Amajit, Kaur. So as you can see, it's still pretty bitty, but you can see the almond butter is mixing in quite nicely. Because we put the almond milk in first, the ingredients don't cake at the bottom, which is important because if you're spending money on almond butter, you don't want it just to sit on the bottom and just to be washed off. It's a bit pointless. Okay, so anyone got any ideas of names? So there's like 15 grams of protein in here, which is about the same as some protein shakes and some protein bars. So I'm gonna stay a bit bitty, so I'm just gonna blast this. It's going to be a bit loud while you guys think of some names. Come on, someone give me a name for this smoothie, please. The ebook will be out later today, so you'll be able to read your name in the ebook. I'm trying to make all of the smoothies today so I can take photos for the ebook. Shindi Benji, subject for anybody got any suggestions? V Special, that's really, it's a really sweet name, but I can't call it, would be a bit pretentious to call a smoothie that I invented in my book to name it after me, I think. So maybe I have to name it after Mussy, like Mussy's Muscle Special or something, like, you know, like Mum's Muscle Special, because it's the mums that get strong, right? So you can see there, it's a Almond Dream. I like that one. Okay, that's it. You've named it. It's Almond Dream. So that's the consistency. You can see it's kind of almondy. It's not as thin as other drinks like juices would be, and mostly because the almond butter anyway, that stuff is quite a thick consistency. It's mostly going to just taste like almonds with banana. So you can imagine it's going to taste really good. So my friend who used to have a restaurant called Old School, Bully, who might be watching this later, he used to have an almond drink in his restaurant, which was so good. I think it was like ice cream, almond butter, and something else, but it was so tasty. But this is like kale, spinach, blueberries, banana, and almond butter and almond milk. So it's not only high in protein, but it's got lots of stuff that's good for you and good for recovery. And it is literally an Almond Dream. Really sweet, but not too sweet, not like the artificial drink. So definitely try this.